Hello guys, welcome to Megalite YouTube channel, and for today's video I want to unbox and review the Tecno Pop 5 Pro. This Tecno Pop 5 Pro na big and massive upgrade. So the Tecno Pop 5 when Tecno released some few months ago. To be very clear, that Tecno Pop 5 na total disgrace to Tecno. See the link to the Tecno Pop 5 unboxing and review for up here, or go the description section for bottom of this video to find the link to the video. This Pop 5 Pro get many features when it be say Pop 5 no get. On the surface, it get 4G browsing network when it be say Pop 5 no get. The best selling point of the phone to be say it get a whole 6000 mAh battery with up to 3 GB RAM storage space. Helio A22 engine dey power this phone, while the back camera na 8 megapixel. Now if you compare them with Pop 5, na very big improvement be this. Pop 5 get 4000 mAh battery and it dey run on only 3G network, plus the back camera na only 5 megapixel. It gets two variants, one na 1 GB RAM and the other one na 2 GB RAM. And although Pop 5 na recent phone, it dey run on Android 10 Go edition operating system. Now if you compare the two phones, the Pro get 6000 mAh battery against 4000 mAh, 4G network against 3G network. The back camera na 8 megapixel for the Pro, while the Pop 5 get 5 megapixel. 3 GB RAM for Pop 5 Pro against 2 GB RAM. This more recent Pop 5 Pro they run on Android 11 Go edition. The price difference na just 15,000 naira. While the price of Pop 5 Pro never to this setting, the range na about 50,000 naira. Now at the time when I dey record this video, the price of this Pop 5 Pro never dey available for India Rupee. The reason na because they never list this phone for Flipkart, so I no fit really determine the amount. But if you dey for India or Philippines, Bangladesh or Venezuela, you fit let me know if this phone dey available for your country and tell us the price too. Personally, the price of this phone dey okay. E worth am. The difference for battery capacity between this phone and Pop 5 na 2000 mAh. Tecno literally upgrade this phone from every area. And talking about upgrade, you fit upgrade this channel in every area if you touch that subscribe button and then like this video. If you subscribe now, you go dey Tecno Pop 5 Pro Professional. The box of the phone carry the phone itself with some quick specifications for front. Next, na the semi-transparent bumper case when not too dey flexible, so you go need to force am small before you go enter the phone. Then the small white two-legged charger, the USB 2.0 cable, the earpiece, and finally this unique SIM remover. The phone not too heavy if you consider the 6000 mAh battery capacity. Some 5000 mAh battery phone they get about the same weight. I no go fit say the design fine well because na budget phone, so make I say the phone design makes sense pass Pop 5 own. For right, you go see the volume and the power button. Nothing dey the top. Now the left side carry the SIM house. Now the bottom carry the audio jack plus microphone plus charging port plus the speaker. The back of the phone carry two cameras, flashlight and fingerprint sensor. The phone dey run on Android 11 Go edition with HiOS version 7.6. Where for the odd na the fact say the chipset na MediaTek Helio A22. Helio G series for actually dey better. If you dey wonder whether it dey resistant to water, the phone actually dey resistant to common splash. But to expect 50,000 naira phone to dey resistant to water, just like say you dey expect 1-year-old pikin to start to pay house rent. Many things dey this phone when I no expect. The pull down settings na the old version. The FM radio no dey work without earpiece. The camera no get many camera mode, and the sound and recording quality of the phone poor. So make I just run the recording test. Hello, testing the microphone. This is Tecno Pop 5 Pro, and this is the sound and audio test. And this is the sound and microphone test. Testing the microphone. 1, 2, 3. Hello, testing the microphone. phone. This is Tecno Pop 5 Pro. This is the sound and audio test. And this is the sound and microphone test. Testing the microphone 1, 2, 3. I don't get much to talk about the display, but it better pass Pop 5 own. It not dey freeze or hang, and it dey respond fast. So I could just say the display dey standard. Now that one will bring us to the last review of today, the camera. The back camera na 8 megapixel with video, AI, beauty and portrait modes only. It dey record 1080p videos with 4 times zooming scale. Pictures when I take with different camera mode look similar. It dey almost impossible to tell the differences. Front of the camera na 5 megapixel. I dey confused here whether make I say the front camera good or not. Obviously, it dey poor. Now if you consider the general performance of this phone and compare am with the Tecno Pop 5, well, you go find that say the price balance the phone. Click up here for Tecno Pop 5 review video, or click up here for Tecno Pop 5 Go Edition review video, or click this button here. It will lead you to the subscription page. Don't forget to tell us what you think about this video, and see you for my next video.